In this video, we'll continue working with Astro Server Islands. Today, I will explain how to pass props from Astro to your server island. I have created a custom adapter that lets you use server islands with any backend, without needing to deploy the adapter. If you haven't watched the previous part, please check out the earlier video for better understanding. Link in the description. Passing props help you customize content and create a data bridge between Astro and your backend. However, we need to keep this data flow secure and prevent data loss. To achieve this, Astro encrypts all props during build time. When examining your build, you will find server island with fetches that include various parameters. One of these parameters is P, which contains the encrypted props that we need to decrypt. First, let's add some props to our server island. I will add max items count 5. To encrypt it, we need a key. By default, Astro uses a random key for each build, but we need to keep it consistent. Let's generate a key by running this command in your terminal. Astro create key. In the output, we'll get a key. We need to copy it and paste it in the .env file. Now with the key in the environment file, Astro will use the same key each time we build the app. Let's rebuild the app. And let's preview the build. In the Network tab, we can see the requests to our server island with P parameters. Now we need to get this value in the backend and decrypt it. Here's my views.py that handles the server island request and returns an HTML template. As you can see, I received the Q parameter from the refer header to get the location. I have also added the condition that checks if we have a P parameter. First, let's add function which will decrypt props. It will look like this. You will need to import several packages to make this work: AESGCM, B64 Decode, Encode, and JSON. We need to add our Astro key here, while it would be better to use an environment variable. We'll keep it here for now. This function takes encrypted parameters, performs URL decoding, and then uses the AESGCM algorithm to decode the props. Finally, it returns the decoded JSON. Let's implement this function and pass the encrypted parameter. I will also add decrypted data to the template and display it to visually verify the decryption works. We're almost done. If you're using Django like me, we need to add one parameter to our router configuration, trailing/false. This prevents adding a slash at the end of the pass. Without it, we will get a moved permanently status for the first request, which will trigger a second request with a trailing slash. This matters because we are losing a referer header during the second request. Now it looks like we have set up everything. Let's reload our page and check if we receive our props. It worked. We can see our JSON with our props. We successfully decrypted the props from Astro. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to pass and decrypt props from Astro to your server islands. This opens up many possibilities for creating dynamic, interactive components while maintaining data security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Astro tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below, and I will be happy to help. See you in the next video.